Today we'll learn how to install plugins or add-ons and how to install Paint.net that I've been working on and making tutorials on all my time on the channel. Okay, so now we'll learn how to download Paint.net. Okay, so first up, go to free download. Go to the link, it's in the description below, and click on free download now. You'll find it on the right here. Click on it. After you click on it, there will be a zip file right here. I already have it on my desktop, so I'm going to pause that or even cancel it. Okay, I have it right here on my desktop, so we click on it, or no, not click on it. We will extract file and put it in whatever place you want. It will be in its own folder, don't worry. So I already have it right here. After you choose the place, you open the folder. There you will have Paint.net 4.1.4 installed. This is the latest version. So you click on it. After you click on it, after it will load. Okay. Wait until it loads. Yeah, like that, and this window will show up and installing. It's installing right now. Okay, so I've already installed Paint.net, so I can't close this. I've already installed Paint.net, so it's installing it again. Okay, so while it's installed, okay, error because I already installed this. Ignore. Abort. It's making an error because I already installed the app. I have already installed it, so we're not going to install it again. Here we have Paint.net, and to install the add-on, you go to this link, and it's in the description down below. You will click on download installer here exactly under it, and do not download this because it is very complicated, but this one is much simpler. So after you click on it, there will be a zip file. After we have this zip file, okay, I'll show you right here. We have this zip file right here. We go right click and extract file. Okay, so we extract file, and this is where it should be extracted. Click OK, and you should have this folder right here. After that, you're going to open, you will have this puzzle piece right here. It's like a jigsaw puzzle piece. Click on it. Okay, so after you've clicked on it, it will load right here. It will open a window. Yeah, this one. Okay, so here you can select the item, all the plugins you want to install. This plugin you can install whatever you want to install. You can install everything. We're not going to install everything, but I already installed everything, so I'm going to not click next and click close, and you will have it. You have to restart Paint.net, close it and open it again. Then you will find some new things in adjustments, curves plus, and the gradient mapping, and some new cool stuff. And I don't know if there's one right here. No, there isn't. There's only in effects. You can make, if you click on random effect, to do any random effect of one of these. Okay, so the new ones are tools, all these, and render. There's a lot of new things in render. Render was already there in Paint.net, but it added a new stuff into it, board and shapes, like grading bars, grading grid, and all these. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make with the plugins this thing right here I did with the cool new plugin. Okay, so how did I do it, you may be asking. First up, go to render. You have right here grading bars. If you don't know what grading bars is, you can click on it, and this is exactly what it will do. Just like this. Wait a second, because it's very confusing right now. It's like bars but gradient. You can also make no spacing, and you can also make it lean a bit, and it will be a cool effect. If you make the width very small, it will look like this, and you can skew it and do whatever you want with it. Okay, so I've done this already and I know how to do it. So we're going to make the width very big, and the color and the skew maybe the other way. So right here. Okay, you can change everything in it, scale and everything. You can check it out and press OK. Here you have the gradient bars. If it loads, here you have the gradient bars. After that, we're going to use a new effect called it's a cool new effect called stitch, I think so. Yeah, right here in the store there is stitch. This is how I made the cool, like this effect, the cool effect. I'm going to leave it right here because that's what I did, and click OK. And if you don't want this blank part, you can also go to add new layer and make it under the background, and just simply make it any color you'd like this, and it will be like this. And you have to layer down so there's only one part, like I showed you in the Paint.net tutorial. You can layer it down. Okay, so now you write anything you want. Okay, we may make it a little smaller. Okay, and okie doke. So now we have our word here. And if you wanted to make that cool outline, you could check out my video on how to make outlines on text. Okay, so you may make it another color because it doesn't really fit in the blue color. You can't really see it. And press enter. We have what I just did. It's awesome. It's very cool. Okay, so we're going to do anything. Okay, here you have what I just did, what I just showed you, and it's kind of cool. So there's a lot of different plugins. Also there's plus curve. We know curves, but I don't really understand it. There's plus curve now. Of course I will not understand it. You can check it out. There's gradient mapping. I really don't know this one too, so you can check it out yourself. Okay, we have a lot of stuff in. You have gradient grid or a lot of things. You can make random shape fill. You can make a very random shape fill. Like for example, you can like that. It will kind of look cool, but if you want to make it under all what you did, you can do it like this, or under the text, and like that. You can change everything up like this. You may make the text a little bit bigger, like that. Okay, so that's a random shape fill. Okay, dope. It's not responding right now, sorry. It will respond after. Like that. And a lot of stuff you can do with the new plugin. And you can also on this Paint forum, you can find a lot of plugins on Paint.net forum. you can find a lot of plugins and install it to paint.net. It's really cool. So check it out, yeah. And bye bye.